Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the issue where your attachments are just automatically unequipping in a regular match. And let's get straight into it. So once you're in, multiplayer, you go over to weapons, you go to loadout, and you try to edit your gun, and it just automatically just try to you choose a different optic, whatever, it just automatically unequips. In order to fix this, there's a few things you can do. One thing you guys can do is just manually remove it at first. Once that you see it's set to default, set to the iron sight, you can go back to the optic and you can go ahead and select whatever you want, and that should fix the issue. You can go back and you'll see that it's fixed. Another method you guys can do is simply just make sure you don't double click on it. So when you're selecting whatever optic you want, make sure you don't just double click on it, because if you double click on it, it'll automatically be unselected. So make sure you click on it once and you see the green, you see the orange check. And another thing you guys can do is just, another thing you guys can do is just simply just do it, I guess, 3 or 4 times, because usually it doesn't happen that many times in a row. It only happened 2 or 3 times in a row. So you can just keep on doing it until it fully fixes. And you guys can always restart your PC as well, because that does tend to help. So thank you guys for watching. That is how to fix the issue. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.